Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hub. So, Google has been rolling out free Google AI Pro accounts to students in different countries around the world. A few months ago, it was available to students in Africa, especially in Nigeria, Ghana, and other African countries. But unfortunately, that offer expired. The registration for that offer closed on the 9th of December 2025. Right now, if you check through my channel, you're going to see the video I created about it, and it gained a lot of demand. There were so many questions, lots of comments, both positive feedback and people sharing how this particular offer worked for them. Now, since that offer expired, people who weren't able to register the last time have been asking me to make another solution for this. That's exactly why I'm bringing this video to you right now. This particular offer is actually available for people in the United States. This offer was on for people in the United States before, but it closed a few months back. But guess what? Google has reopened this offer again, and this offer is going to expire on January 31st, 2026. So if you're here right now, you have to take advantage of this offer immediately. Don't worry if you're not in the United States, or if you're not a student in the United States. I'm going to show you a way you can work around this and have access for yourself. Alright guys, now, as you all know, the benefits of Google AI Pro are amazing. Google AI Pro offers advanced AI features, increased usage limits, and greater storage, including access to powerful models like Gemini Pro, enhanced Notebook LM for research, specialized tools like Jute for coding, higher limits on Gemini in Docs and Gmail. And you're going to be getting 2 terabytes of space and AI credits for apps like VO, Whisk, and image generation for content creation, coding, and more. There's more depth and fewer restrictions. This plan is ideal for users who heavily rely on Google AI for in-depth research, coding, content creation, and productivity. You need more power, storage, and fewer usage caps than the basic version. If you were going to pay for this app normally, you'd be paying around $19 to $20 per month. But with this method, you're not going to be paying any dime. You're not paying anything because Google is giving this access to you for free. But you're going to need to check if you're eligible. Don't worry, if you follow through this video from beginning to end, you're going to know exactly how you can be eligible for this offer and actually get access. Welcome to Digital Profit Hub. This is a space where we learn how to use AI to leverage our daily tasks, to work faster and smarter with AI. We leverage AI to do things that we normally do, different skills, whether it's website design, coding, or different creative skills. We use AI to perform these tasks. And in this channel, I give you free tools, updates, and tips that can actually help you work smarter with AI, along with tutorials like this one for tools you can use to help with your design and AI skills. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon for notifications, like this video, and share it with people who might need it as well. Alright guys, now let's dive right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do if you're not in the United States is to get a United States VPN, a VPN that connects to the United States. You can use any VPN for this. Now, to get access to the VPN we're using, I'll be showing you how you can get access to the VPN on both your PC and your mobile device, both Android and iPhones. To get access to it on your PC, you can install any VPN. You can use any VPN that supports the United States, or you can install an extension. I'm going to give you the free VPN I use. It's called Free VPN for Chrome. That's VEEPN Pro. So you tap on it, and you select Chrome Web Store, and you select Add to Chrome. Then a pop-up is going to show, and you click on Add Extension. Once your extension is installed, you're going to see the icon at the top right corner. If you're not seeing it, you can tap on this puzzle icon at the top right corner, and you're going to see the VPN icon. Then you can click on the pin icon to pin it to your desktop. Now you tap on it, and you're going to click on Continue and Start. You continue with the free version. Then for this one, you just click on Log In. If you've logged in before, you can just decide to log in directly. But if you don't have a login account with them already, you just click on Sign Up. After signing up or logging in, click on the extension again. Then click Continue as Free. Now for the location, you're going to tap here. And I'm going to search for United States. That's USA. Then I'm going to select a region in the United States. If I click on this particular power button and it turns green, that means I'm connected. As you can see, I'm connected to the United States. If you want to use your phone, here's how to go about it. To get access to VPN on your mobile phone, the first thing to do, whether you're using an iPhone or Android, is to head over to your browser and search for Free VPN for iPhone or Free VPN for Android. I'm using Android, so I'm going to select Free VPN for Android. And you can see the list of VPNs that we have. You can see Proton VPN, Planet VPN, and a lot more VPNs. You can select any one. You can select Windscribe VPN, Proton VPN, TunnelBear. All of these have free versions. It's the same thing if you're using an iPhone. It's just a matter of testing out which one works best for you and which is free. Proton VPN works for both iPhones and Android. Now, I have several VPNs installed on my phone already. I have Thunder VPN, Panda VPN, Setup VPN, Proton VPN itself. I would advise you, if you're using an Android phone, you should use Proton or Thunder VPN. It connects to the United States directly. So, Thunder VPN. You just head over to your Play Store. It works for Android. I don't know if it works for iPhone, but iPhone users can still download varieties of VPNs. So you install this. I have it installed already, so I'm going to open it directly. Once I'm in the interface, I'll create an account if I'm logging in for the first time. But I have an account with them already, so I'm just going to click on Connect, and automatically, you can see I'm connected to the United States server. That's how to connect your VPN. I'm connected to the United States. Then I can now head over to where I want to use the VPN and continue using it. And when I'm done, I'm going to switch off the VPN. To switch it off, you just have to click on the Disconnect tab, and you can disconnect it. You can see the location I connected to was United States. All right, guys, thank you. Now we're going to continue with the PC. All right, guys, now the first thing you need to do is check your eligibility. Don't worry, I've dropped the link for everything you're going to need in the description box below. To check your eligibility, you're going to click the link I've dropped in the description. It's Google Free AI Pro. You're going to tap on the first one, Get Google AI Pro for a year. Then you're going to select Get Offer. As you can see, this offer is not available right now. Let me check if I'm connected to the VPN. It's still connected to the United States, but this particular email account is not eligible. So I'm going to use the new email account I just created. If you've tried your email accounts and none of them are working, you're going to try a new email account, just like I'll show you below. Now, I'll create a new email account, since the existing one weren't eligible. You don't really need to switch on your VPN yet to create a new email account. Let me show you how to create your email account. On your phone, head over to your Gmail app. You click on this button at the top corner. Once you tap it, you scroll down and select Add Another Account. The next thing is for you to select Google. Watch this very closely. You select Create an Account. Then you click on For Personal Use. You enter your first name. In my case, I'll be selecting any name of choice. I'll be using Digital Profit Hub. For the surname, it's optional. You can just skip it. Then you click on Next. You enter your date of birth, but make sure the date of birth is not less than 18 years of age. Let me select today's date, which is August 2nd. Then I'm going to pick a random year, let's say 2000, and I'm going to select the gender. Then I click on Next. It's giving me various options to create from, but I'm going to select Create Your Own Gmail address. Then I'm going to choose the one I wish to register with. Let's say Digital Profit Hub Tutorial 1. So I choose Digital Profit Hub Tutorial 1 at gmail.com. Then I click on Next. For this purpose, I'm going to input a password. After inputting my password, I clicked on Next. Then my email account is ready. Then I scroll to the bottom and click on I agree. And my email account is ready. Now I'll come over to the profile icon right here, and I'll select the new account I just registered. You can see the new account I just registered now. This is the new account, Digital Profit Hub Tutorial 1 at gmail.com. This is what we'll be using for our tutorial. Then I click on it to select it. Right now, you don't need to do anything on this Gmail again. You've created your email account. We're going to move to the next step, which is using this particular email address we just created to continue with the process of registering for our 12-month Pro access. All right, guys. Now you have to pay close attention to this aspect. For the school, you can actually select any school. But for this purpose, at the end of this video, you're going to be needing some verification method. You'll need a student ID card or student information to verify if you're actually a student. So to work around this, I've actually provided a document. I've provided a link in the description below where you can get this document and create a student receipt for yourself. Now please pay close attention to this aspect. You open this document with Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Cam Scanner, or any device that can actually edit documents. I've provided access for you to edit this particular file. What you're going to be editing is the student name, the matric number, and that's all. After that, you don't need to edit anything else. I've made it so easy for you to do the editing easily. Now, for the student name, I'm going to change the name to any United States name. Any name that I know goes along with the United States. You can actually just come to your Google Chrome browser and search for United States names or United States full names. You can see names like Liam, Noah, Oliver, Emma, Olivia. You can just use a mixture of the names. Pay attention to the gender. You can just use a combination like Noah Oliver. I'm using this particular name right now, Noah Oliver. So I'm going to change the name here to Noah Oliver. Now for the matric number, please pay close attention. You should completely change the last 6 digits at the back. You are not to touch the first 5 digits here. Please do not touch the first 5 digits. You're only changing the last 6 digits at the back. I'm just going to enter a random 6-digit number. If you count them, you're going to see 11 numbers in total. You changed the last 6 digits. When you're done with that, take note of the name you used, and you're going to save this file. I'm going to click on File, and I'm going to download this as a PDF. My PDF file is downloaded on my device. The next thing for me to do is to head back to my Google account. For the school, I'm going to enter the name of the school. The school is A Woman's Way Warrior Midwife Training. You can see the name of the school here. That's what you're going to enter. This school is going to pop up for you. Now, this is the name of the school, A Woman's Way Warrior Midwife Training. For the first name, you head back to your receipt and you select the first name. In my case, my first name, Noah. Then I'll come here and you write Noah. For the last name, you head back to the receipt and you select the last name you used. In my case, it's Oliver. For the date of birth, you actually select any date of birth, but make sure it is above 18 years of age. I'm going to select a date of birth here. For the email address, please pay close attention to this as well. You use the name, which in my case is Noah Oliver. Just write your first name and last name at, and then for the school, you can see the short name for the school, which is AWWMT. That's AWWMT. So that's what you're writing here, AWWMT. Let me check again, AWWMT. That's correct. Then you add .edu.us. So this is it. You're going to add the first name and the last name. So I wrote Noah Oliver at awwmt.edu.us. Then you're going to click on Verify Student Status. It's going to ask you to sign in to your school. Then you click on Sign In, and you go back. For this, you actually have to skip it. just click on the back button, and it's going to show Upload Proof of Enrollment. This is where you're going to be adding my document. I'm going to head over to my Docs, File tab, and I'm going to click on Download as PDF file. As you can see, it's downloading. I'm going to view it in the folder. I'm going to rename this file as the name of the student, which is Noah Oliver. I'll rename this particular file as Noah Oliver. Now for this upload, I'm going to upload the document which I downloaded. I'll select the PDF file. Then I'm going to click on Open. Then I'm going to click on Submit. We're going to hold on for a few minutes or a few seconds to see if we are eligible for this offer. You're going to see a countdown. Hold on for a few seconds, and you're going to see a verification notice if you are verified. Let's hold on, please. And as you can see, we've been verified. The next step is to finish subscribing to Google AI Pro for 1 year at no cost. What we're going to do next is to actually click on the Get Google AI Pro button. You can see, university students get Gemini in Google AI Pro for 1 year free. You can see what we're getting: VEO video generation, Imagen Pro image generation, Whisk, 2 terabytes premium plan benefits, and a lot more. This offer expires on January 31st, 2026, and is available to verified students who are 18 plus. You must provide a valid form of payment, which you've done already. The age limit, that's why you must be more than 18 years. Now let's click on Get Student Offer to finish setting up the process. This is going to give us options where we can add a payment method. Don't worry, we are not paying anything. You can see, add a payment method to your Google account to start your free trial. You won't be charged if you cancel before December 14th, 2026. You're using this offer for 1 year straight. That means December 14th, 2026, which is the same day I did this particular subscription, December 14th, 2025. So if you cancel before this day next year, you're not going to be charged. We are expected right now to add our card details or use any method for the subscription. We're given various options here. We can use a redeem card, we can add our card, add Cash App Pay, or use our PayPal or Pay on Phone. The recommended option is to use Add Card. We click on Add Card and use our debit card. Now please, if you are in a different country apart from the United States, you need to use your dollar card. If you don't have a dollar card, I've made a video. Just check the top right corner of this video, and you're going to see a recommended video I've made on how to get a virtual dollar card for yourself if you do not have one. I use Cleva, but if you have Gray, GPay, or Chipper Cash, those options are there for you to create your debit card. The prices vary. Some may charge you $5, some $3. I don't know, it varies on platforms, so you can choose any option you like. I'm using Cleva for this option. C-L-E-V-A, Cleva. Please watch the video to know how you can actually register for Cleva. I've done a video on that. Please make sure you watch it if you want to get a virtual dollar card. For this purpose, I'm going to input my card details. I'm going to head over to my Cleva app. Card details are similar on all USD dollar platforms, so I'm going to be inputting the figures right now. For the card number, I'll input the 16-digit number. For the MM/YY, that's the expiration date, so I'll write it. The CVV is the 3 figures on the card, and for the cardholder's name, I'm going to write the name on my card. For the country, it will be United States. If you're not seeing United States, you click on the pencil icon and you change the location to United States. For the billing zip code, that's the number at the bottom. In most cases, it's 94104. You're going to click on Save Card. Now it's going to bring you to the next phase. Make sure the card you're seeing here is the card you just input. My card is ending with 8637. Now here, you must make sure you are seeing 12-month free trial starting today. 12 months free trial. If you are not seeing this, please don't continue further, or else you will be debited $19. If you're just seeing the $19 alone, please don't continue any further. You must see these two completely for you to continue further. You must see starting today and starting December 14th, 2026. If you are not seeing this 12-month free trial, please don't proceed. But if you are seeing it, you are good to go. Then you click on subscribe, and let's hold on for the subscription creation to be done. And voila! Guys, you can see we've been subscribed. It's very easy to create an account. We've been subscribed already, guys. That's how to go about it. If you're finding this hard, make sure you watch the video step by step. It's very easy to do, guys. You can see this is not photoshopped or edited. I'm going to refresh this page right now so you can see I'm already subscribed. If you see this colored icon at the top right corner, that means you're subscribed. That's one way to know if an account is subscribed already. Guys, at this stage, you can actually turn off your VPN. We're going to head back here and come back to the VPN and turn it off. You do the same thing on your mobile devices as well. You turn off all your VPNs. Now I'm going to check if the subscription is active. Definitely, it will be active. But to remove any element of doubt, I'm going to check the activation of this Google AI Pro subscription to confirm we're subscribed to it. On your Google VEO, if you know how to use Google VEO, Google Flow, and how to make use of it. If you don't know how to create videos or how to use this Google AI Pro, there is a course I have on how to create videos using Google AI Pro, Gemini, VEO, and different tools which you can actually do easily with this particular subscription. Please note that you will be given 1,000 credits on your Google Flow, and it will be renewed every month. The renewal happens every month for a year, and you're going to be having 2 terabytes worth of storage. Now, if I check my Google Drive and I click on storage, you can see I have used 150 megabytes of 2 terabyte space. You can see I've gotten 2 terabytes space. Now I'm going to visit Flow. I'll type Google Flow. Then I'm going to click on Create with Flow. Please, if you've subscribed, you can skip this aspect if you know how to use your Flow and create videos. But I just want to do some little demonstrations for those people who don't know how to use this account, and those people who want to confirm if this account is subscribed already. I'm going to click on Create New Project. If you're just logging in on Flow for the first time, it's going to bring some registration processes. Let's explore. You can see it will ask you if you want to receive marketing emails. You can decide to skip it and click on Next. For this, some people are stuck here because the Continue button is not showing. What you have to do is just scroll down as if you are reading the terms and conditions all the way to the end, and it will bring out this Continue button. Then you tap on Continue. You scroll through this one, you click on Get Started, and you tap on New Project. As you can see, my account is Pro. Check the top right corner. You can see Pro Account. You tap on this Pro Account. Let's see the credits you have. We have 1,000 credits. This is how it keeps renewing every month. If I want to create a video, I can create a video from text to video. If I tap here, I can see frames to video. That means if you want to use your image or your picture or any reference image to create your own video. Ingredients to video means the images you've created already. If you want to use them to create a video, instead of re-uploading them again. Create image. You can use Imagine or Nano Banana Gemini 3 Pro version that just came out. You can create any images from a prompt. If you want to do some little settings so you can save your credit, you can come to this filter button. You will see the aspect ratio you can create the image on and the output. If you wanted to give you 2 outputs, for images, it's not going to charge you any credits. Image generation is free because you have a Pro account. But if you're on a free account, you can't use the Pro version. And the number of images you can generate is limited. So we're going to generate our image. I can select Imagine or the normal free Nano Banana version people are using. But because I gave the Pro account, I'll use Nano Banana Pro, and I will create an image. For instance, I'm going to create it in portrait mode, and I'm going to allow it to give me 2 outputs. I'll create an image of, let me see, a man drinking Coca-Cola. That means I want to try to make an ad for Coca-Cola. Let's hold on. It's going to generate those two images in the ratio I asked it to generate. We're going to wait a few seconds, guys. You can see our images are generated. A man drinking Coca-Cola. I'm going to go with this particular one. To download, you're going to click on this download button. The download is done. Now I'm going to switch. You can decide to edit the image. Don't worry, I have the full tutorial in my video editing course. And if you want to join our free community where we give people tips, free tutorials on how to create videos, and more AI-related skills, there is a link in the description box that will direct you to how to get access to our free community. You get access to all of this for free. Join the community on Telegram, and you get to upgrade yourself with AI. You can edit the image. Don't worry, the full tutorial is there. Editing the image. You can put a box on it. You can add text on your image, and a lot more. You can do a lot more with it. I'm going to exit this. Now I'm going to create a video using this particular image. I'm going to create a video. I'll switch back to video, and I will select frames to video. If you want to generate a video from text, you can just write a prompt like, a man standing beside. Let's say, a man drinking Coca-Cola, and it's going to animate the video for you. You can do your settings here as well. You're selecting VEO 3.1. Know that each video generation uses 20 credits, and you're given 1,000 credits. There is a way to manage your credit. The output here, we can turn it to 1 so as to save your credit. And you choose the aspect ratio as any ratio size you want, probably the portrait 9:16 ratio or the landscape 16:9. At each generation, it is up to 8 seconds. That means you need to merge videos to generate more of those videos. Now we've done the settings. Let me click on this and wait for it. But while waiting, I want to show you another important aspect. Using the image we generated earlier, I'm going to use frames to video. In this frames to video, I'm going to click on this plus button. I'm going to click on upload. I agree. And I'm going to click on this image I created earlier. Then I'm going to leave it at portrait and crop and save. I will now say, make this man stand up, drinking the Coca-Cola and saying, Coca-Cola is best to refill your energy, and he smiles. We can see this in action. I'm going to send this over for it to be created. Now this is the one I created from text to video. This one is generating. The frames to video one is still generating. Let me wait for it. Let me watch this one to see what was generated. You can see the clarity is super sharp, and it's okay. But let's see what the frames to video one is going to create for us, guys. Let's hold on for it. Our video is generated. You can see that's the same image we used. Now let's play the video to see what it's done. Can you see that? That's wonderful. That's how to go about it. In my video tutorial, I show you how to add captions, how to do some animation, how to add more features to make your video look professional, how to use the frames to video, where you use already generated images and you continue further with the generation, and how to actually use the scene builder on your PC to create more of the videos you've generated before, and lots more. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Like, subscribe so that whenever a video comes up like this, you're going to be the first to know about it. And please make sure you share it with those people who might need it. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to check the description box. Everything you need is there. And don't forget to join the community where we are going to hold you by the hand. The free community where you're going to get access to our community for free. We give you updates and tips on how to go better in this AI world. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye!